Hi, I'm Oliver, your first Green Industries guide. Today we're going to talk about a very interesting topic: the service, the durability, and the sustainability of our Elise. Some of you may not know this, but our Elise is basically one big Lego. In fact, we don't weld any parts of production, but all parts are assembled. Now, what's that good for? That's the perfect question. Thanks to this system, we can always repair a specific part of the Elise that we need, so we don't have to replace a lot of parts that are just fine. It's also important to mention that every welding repair of a part reduces durability, which is why we use modular construction. This means that servicing Elise is easier, more efficient, and also cheaper. But another advantage of the modular design is far from just in the servicing. Another benefit we must mention is the hardware upgrade kit that we can purchase for your Elise. This means that you can continually upgrade and modernize your Elise, which can significantly extend its operating life. At First Green Industries, we love smart ideas. And that's why we think about our machines in the long term, so that we can bring you, our customer, the longest possible benefit. That's why we for a moment is going to talk about the batteries which powers your Elise. You can choose from two options: the lithium battery, which we have made a video about and you can find it on our YouTube channel, or the lead acid battery, which I will tell you about right now. If you choose a lead acid battery for your Elise, you can of course recycle it. In fact, with a lead acid battery, you have the option of changing individual battery cells. All Elise features has a simple goal. Together, they create a modern, environmentally friendly, and sustainable machine for the 21st century. Can you hear that? Me neither. So your neighbors, they will love you. Plus, Elise is not only respectful of the environment and the planet, but also your wallet. On average, our machine saves 10,000 euros annually just on operational costs. Visit our website, first.green, for an online cost calculator to find out exactly what you save. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow us. Hi, I'm Oliver. I'm your First Green Industries guide. I'm going to show you the starting sequence of our Ally. This is our one-phase 96-volt Sivan charger for Elise. First, you unplug the charger. Then you plug the battery into the machine. Then you close it. Now let's go inside. Next step, we close the door. Take down the safety bar. Turn the red button left and then it will come up. Enter the pin and press OK. If you want to change the pin, just log into our website. Don't forget to put your seatbelt on. Press the F2 green button. All the control buttons on the display should be green when starting the machine. Click on Menu, select User. Now you can see User Standard, User 1, User 2, User 3, which you can all customize. And at the bottom you can choose ISO pattern, and then both H and reverse H pattern. Now you know how to do it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. So the first thing you do is to put the boom upwards, then you lubricate the pin with the grease nipple. Then, back here, same thing, lubricate the pin, the grease nipple, and you do exactly the same thing on the other side of the machine. Now we're going to lower the boom down. We can do it in two ways. You can do it from the cabin or you can pull it down manually from the rear. So first we're going to open up the rear. And to do it manually, you're going to press this lever, the green lever. And you have to make sure that no one is standing underneath it as well. So now we're going to press. And now that we lower the boom, we're going to lubricate this pin. We can do it here from the red pin here or the red pin here. And here you do it up here and also down here. And then you do exactly the same on the other side of the machine. You can also lubricate this pin from the inner side. Then you have to lubricate this pin and you have to lubricate this lever for quick attachment. And then you do exactly the same on the other side. So now we're going to check the hydraulic oil levels. But before we do that, we have to make sure that the pistons are set in their end positions. So now that we check that the pistons are in their end positions, we check the hydraulic oil level and it has to be at least half or greater half. Now we will visually check the pins and see if the wells are not cracked. You can check the battery level right here. For the maintenance, we're going to lift up the cabin, but before we do that, we have to make sure that the machine is turned off. Now that the machine is turned off, you got to also make sure to close the doors. Now that we lifted the cabin, we're going to check to see if the engine cables that they're not damaged. And then we're going to clean the cables with air, and then we're going to put the cables back in their original position. So now that the cabin is up, we're going to check the hydraulic hoses just to make sure that there are not any leakages. If you have the air condition installed, you have to check the hoses and the leakage as well. And now that everything is fine below the cabin, we're going to pull it down and then we're going to check the tires. And the tire pressure is 4 bar. And to find information, it's all here. Depending on the surface, the operator can decide the tire pressure. Remember, our Elise performs as well as it's maintained. Now, enjoy. Hi, I'm Oliver, your First Green Industries guide, and today I'm going to show you the benefits of lithium batteries. And we have to start with the most important thing, that's battery life. A lithium battery has up to twice the lifetime. In numbers, that means up to 3,000 cycles without the need for any maintenance. Another significant benefit for us is the possibility of fast charging. This means you can charge the Elise with a lithium battery at a charging current of 210 amps, giving you a total charge in 2.5 to 3 hours compared to the conventional 8 to 10 hours. In addition, the lithium battery has IP68 water resistant and a battery management system which constantly monitors it. With our Elise, you can change batteries in a whole new way. And if you're interested in this feature, we've uploaded a separate video which you can find on our channel. But the most important thing is that the lithium battery set is 400 kilograms lighter, which means that the handling and the logistics will be easy for you too. That was enough information, but the lithium battery has enough advantages too. Don't forget that you can find all the information about Elise on our website. Thanks for watching. Hi, my name is Oliver, and today I'm going to show you how to use the speed settings in your machine effectively. Since our machines are electric and the power of the motors is the same throughout the rev range, higher speeds will increase the sensitivity of the travel joystick. Changing the speed 1 to 4 changes the maximum wheel speed. We can use the change of speed as a semi-automatic traction function of the machine.
The machine automatically slows down when the travel speed is reduced. For example, you can leave the joystick in the outermost position when moving on speed 4 and slow down by simply switching gears without moving the joystick. The machine will automatically decelerate to reach the set speed. The same way it works for the acceleration, where you can, with the first speed engaged, accelerate up to the outermost position of the joystick, and simply by switching speeds, the machine accelerates up to speed 4.
But what if I want to stop on a hill? Simply release the joystick and the machine will automatically engage the mechanical brakes. You don't have to activate the handbrake in any way. We can use a few more examples to demonstrate the use of speeds.
When we perform precision tasks, we choose speed 1. When mining gravel, select speed 2. And then when we want to transport gravel to a greater distance, we switch to speed 3 for a short time. Then we return to the garage with Elise. We'll use speed 4.
And now you know how to get the most out of the Elise speed configuration. If you have any questions, contact us at service@first.green and we'll be happy to help.